Moyo na ithimi 26 nicioetwo guthurimwo 10 cio igithurimwo laboratory-ini thibitari-ini wa KNH.
Our partners are not acting in good faith. They're hiding behind the 4 gentlemen and 1 lady who joined government and using it to try and wrestle the leadership of the Houses of Parliament from ODM.
Atongoria a kiama kia ODM kuga matikwagagio ni aruna ao ngwataniro-ini ya Azimio aria maroria Raila Odinga eyeherie ngwataniro-ini ino kunyitana na thirikari. Na aikari a Makenji Kadara kururugana makimenereria kiganda kimwe gia kuhia makorofia kwendereria giko migunda-ini yao na kumia mimera makiria ma eka 20. Mutauri bitu na njira ya ciiko ni Wagaki wa Muthoni ritwa riakwa ni Mumbi wa Chege ni wega uringi ni undu wa unyitaniri waku. Na riu tukiambiriria, Minister wa Kigina John Mbadi ni ataririe itanya ria thirikari hari gucokia mendekithia ma mawatho meru ma ungania wa magoti akiendekithia maundu 49 maria mari watho-ini wa Kigina wa mwaka wa 2024 uria wareganirwo naguo ni a Kenya gucokio mutaratara-ini wa gutwika watho. Na kumana na o riu ndugamano ingi yahota kwiyumiria thirikari ikionania dalili ciothe cia kurehe magoti meru orere a Kenya matari mararegeria kana murugamo wao iguru rigie mawatho o mothe meru. Mwandiki witu Bataro wa Mwangi niwe ugutwambiriria na riboti ino.
Mieri minini thutha wa Kenya kung'ethanira na thirikari makiregana na mendekithia meru mawatho wa ungania wa magoti wa mwaka wa 2024, President William Ruto agitongoria Deretieno agitariria ati hatiri undu tangaja bururi no nginya uthundure njira njeru cia kungania kigina makiria.
Tulikuwa tumeweka bilioni 130 kwa budget, lakini mnajua hiyo budget ilienda segemnege. Mnaelewa hivyo? Kuna watu walipigia kelele mpaka hiyo budget ikapotea. Sasa mimi nimeambia Malulu hapa na wabunge wenzetu, si ndio? Tutaenda tupange tena uzae mtoto na mtoto huyo apate shida, hakuwa hai. Wewe una give up, si unarudi tena kwa kitanda?
Othikoni ni thutha wa Minister mweru wa Kigina John Mbadi kwihitithio giturwa-ini giki. Minister unionaniti itanya ria kuhuthira mamwe ma mendekithia maria mareganirwo na mwatho-ini muhagoku wa Kigina wa mwaka wa 2024. Riu Mbadi akiendekithia kuhuthika gwa tucunje twa watho 49.
The country must grow. There are provisions in that bill which would have helped the country to grow. I am not under any delusion that the work ahead is easy. Even before coming here, I am very much aware that it is not very easy.
Kuringana na mendekithia ma ministry ya Kigina, gucenjio kwa watho uyu guguteithiriria bururi kwimathira muigana wa ciringi bilioni 69.3 hari mwaka turi wa Kigina, undu uri utanyite kuhitukira mutaratara wa uthoreki wa watho mweru ugitafanio na kamiti ya bunge igie Kigina. Muikariri giti wa kamiti no Kuria Kimani akiuga ndari arakinyirwo ni mendekithia maya.
Sio bunge kwamba inakuja na huo mswada. Mswada huo hautoki katika bunge. Mswada huo unatoka kwa mawaziri, kwa baraza la mawaziri. Sasa baada basi ya mswada huo kufika katika bunge, ndio bunge sasa inatafuta maoni ya Wakenya, alafu wanapendekeza
mamwe ma maundu maria thirikari irongoreirie niguo kwa ndandura Kigina kiayo ni hamwe na kuhitukia kiwatho nyongerera ya igoti ria maguta ria road maintenance levy ria ritanyitwo kurehera bururi ciringi bilioni 32.
If we could increase our revenue collection to GDP by just even about 3%, I am sure that would give us almost 400 billion shillings additional.
Treasury will have to do public participation on that afresh. It has to be published by the Kenya Gazette afresh, like a new law, like a completely different new law. The National Assembly will have to go through the processing of that law afresh. So there will not be any relationship between, legally that is.
igutha ria magoti kuri iganda na huthiria indo rikoneka gucuniria ri ministry no kiendekithia gucokia igoti ria maria maturigiceirie kana eco levy hari indo itiganite iri ministry no getetera na kuga ndi kugathika igoti riri hari indo ta tauro cia utheru undumwe na daipa cia ciana iria ciacungiririe uregani munene. Mbadi no endekithĩtie kuongererwo kwa ihinda harĩa arĩhia magoti rĩrĩ kũmateithĩrĩria gũtheria rekondi ciao na kũrĩha magoti hatarĩ kũhũrwo faini na njoherera ũndũ ũrĩa naguo aratanya gũkorwo watho-inĩ mwerũ.
One of them is to run away from this notion that high tax rates will raise high tax revenue. The reality is the opposite.
Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mbataru wa Mwangi.
Na riu ithimi cia andu 26 nicioetwo niguo ithurimwo na ikoranwo kana andu aria maheanite ithimi ici mari na murimu wa mpox kuria gatagati gacio ithimi 10 nicio irikitie gutwarwo thiini wa laboratory thibitari-ini munene wa Kenyatta na kurigana na minister wa ugima wa mwiri Dagitari Deborah Mulongo no murwaru umwe wonekanite na murimu ucio na akamukira urigiti. Ministry gitariria ni yarire mitaratara mikinyaniru ya kurigiriria gutherema kwa murimu ucio. Waboi wa Njuguna ena riboti ino.
Murwaru umwe nowe wonekanite na murimu wa mpox guku bururi-ini na akamukira urigiti. Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ikiuga ithimi cia andu angi makiria ma 29 aria marahutanitie na murwaru ucio ni ithurimitwo na ikonania matiri na dalili o ciothe cia murimu ucio. Kuringana na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ithimi ingi 26 cia andu marekuirwo gukorwo na murimu ucio nicioetwo kuria gukinyiria riu ithimi 10 irathurimwo niguo gukurana kana andu acio mari na murimu wa mpox.
The primary risk in contact with an infected person or contaminated personal items or through sexual contact is the common secondary infection that would occur in our country.
Minister ugima wa mwiri augite thirikari ni ihariirie kung'ethanira na murimu wa mpox amu session 4 iria ni gatagati-ini ka iria ciahuthikaga gutabaniria ithimi cia murimu wa COVID-19 thiini wa thibitari munene wa Kenyatta no iguthie na mbere kuhuthika hari gutabaniria ithimi cia mpox.
Only come up with a result that is confirmed once we have had collated results from all these labs, so that we are quite certain when we say you have mpox, then there's no doubt about it.
Dalili cia murwaru ugwatitwo ni murimu wa mpox ni hamwe na gukorwo na thundo mwiri-ini, kuigua urugari makiria, guturwo ni mutwe, kunogerera gatagati-ini ka mangi. Dagitari Patrick Amoth akiuga ni wega murwaru kumatha motungata ma urigiti thibitari-ini.
These symptoms typically last for 2 to 4 weeks. And it's important to note that there are other diseases which may appear like mpox. These include scabies and chickenpox among others.
Ona kuri uguo bururi wa Kenya ni utanyitwo kwamukira njanjo cia kuhurana na moruru ma murimu uyu itanyihiire milioni 2 ugikinyiria muthia-ini wa mwaka uyu. Patrick Amoth akiuria muingi kurumirira mitaratara iria yahuthikaga hindi ya king'uki gia COVID-19 niguo kurigiriria gutherema kwa murimu wa mpox.
But the vaccine will not be for everybody because of the scarcity in terms of the availability of the vaccines. So we are going to prioritize who are the risk population to be able to be put at the forefront for vaccine administration.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wambui wa Njuguna.
Tukihugukira riboti ĩngĩ, muhuri biacara Jimmy Wanjigi ni ikirio ngono thutha wake gwikinyia wabici-ini cia DCI mwena wa Milimani guku Nairobi. Wanjigi arakuruhanio na gukorwo na indo atagirirwo gukorwo nacio ta riera ria kuruta maithori oro hamwe na radio cia borithi. Wanjigi egwikinyitie wabici-ini ici na mawakiri yake thutha wake gwathwo ekinyie kuhungwo mahuri kuria kwambire kumira gicanjama kihingo-ini gia kuingira wabici-ini ici akigirio kwariria andiki a mohoro thutha wa kuhungwo mahuri kwa ihinda. Wanjigi ni acokirie gwikio ngono na gutwarwo borithi-ini ya Kamukunji kuria ahingiritwo na kuringana na wakiri wake John Haminwa. Kunyitwo kwa Jimmy Wanjigi ni kuhotomia kihoto giake thutha wa igoti kuruta watho ndakae gwikio ngono.
Back right here to tell you what they are trying to do.
What are the details for someone?
They say that they found a car outside my residence. No, please. They say they have found a car outside my residence that has got items they want to question me about. I'm waiting to hear what that is about. So just be patient. I'll be back here within a few minutes. So ngojeni kidogo because we also have our complaint against the same police. Asanteni sana. Not touching. You understand? You have respect. Have respect. And I will go in at my own time. No. No. Na kama sitaingia hakuna cha hicho. Have respect.
Ingia basi kwa gari. We respect you mheshimiwa. Ingia kwa gari.
Don't order me.
No, we are ordering you.
No, then keep quiet.
Ingia.
Keep quiet.
Aya, watu media warudi huko. Media warudi kupande hii. Hakuna media kuingia huko.
We are not been given any notice at all. And we had obtained orders in the High Court stopping any arrest or interfering with his liberty. One senior investigator just came and said to us that, look, we are taking Wanjike to court tomorrow and we are putting him in custody. I asked him whether he should not give him bail. He said bail is out. What is happening is despicable. That is not the way justice should be administered at all. Things are happening which used to happen during Moi administration, which I thought as a country we have now got over. But it appears as if we are going back to that era. That's all that I have to say.
Nĩ ngatho mũno makĩria nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere gũikarania hamwe na ithuĩ. Reke tũhũmũke oro hanini twĩna riboti makĩria wona twacokereria.
Asante kwa kunipigia simu. Simu yako nitaipokea kwa muda usiokuwa mrefu. Je, unajua kuwa wimbo wa taifa wa Kenya ulitokana na wimbo wa Kipokomo, mojawapo ya kabila za pwani nchini Kenya? Wimbo rasmi ulitungwa na Thomas Johnson Kalume.
Ili kuset asante kwa kunipigia kama skiza tune yako, dial *811 *622#.
This August, ni wakati wa kuachia watoto remote. Renew your subscription today for all the big and little kids to enjoy more fun and more adventures on our cartoon-packed kids channels all month long. ST Tunes, ST Kids, ST Kids Plus, Baby TV, CBeebies, Jim Jam, Da Vinci, Toonami, Cartoon Channel, and Boing.
Oh man, this is gonna be awesome!
Buy the DTH full kit for only 2,999 shillings and top up 200 shillings to get the smart bouquet. Furahia na Star Times. You can also link your decoder to the Star Times on app to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the go, anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Umako niki bago ni gukoro kinyite guku thainya
kaithiaga ndangari rike ngwire mwaka uyu wothe ndirenda mundu ukuni stress
abohejio ni maku
awe together
uramaanisha atia
kenjokire ndina mutsia gukwariria
ni gute gutheri
nie ndona ni uranjagira kiene
ni maundu mariku wambia
bure kabisa
no raruma ni ati ongika